Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. Don't think that I'm vlogging right now because I'm not. I just wanted to show you all the really wonderful features on this vlogging kit from USKEY. This kit is really well made and it comes with everything that you need to be able to get started with doing some quick recordings. What I love about this is the tripod is very sturdy. And it has lots of little connectors and pieces so that you can adjust this very quickly no matter which direction that you need to. I also really like that the phone holder is adjustable so that no matter what kind of phone that you have, it will adjust for you and you don't have to worry about your phone falling down. That's something that I've experienced before with phone stands. You have the option of going with the foam cover for the mic, or you can go without, as well as with a windscreen. And when you're done using it, you can store it in the great case that it came with, which is really well padded and well protected. So if you're a travel vlogger, you can take this wherever you need to go. As someone who has tried quite a bit of different vlogging kits, I would say that this one is really well made. I love the stand, how it feels very sturdy. Nothing topples over while you're using it, and you don't have to worry about the phone not fitting in the stand. It's a great little kit from USKEY, and that's my point of view.